Introduction. Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, the home for riders who live and breathe two wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most talked about cruiser-style bikes of the year, the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator. This isn't just a re-release of an old name, it's a bold step forward in the lightweight cruiser segment. Kawasaki has managed to blend modern tech, urban style, and a fun-to-ride engine package into a bike that's accessible to both beginners and seasoned riders. So, what makes the 2025 Eliminator stand out? Let's break it all down. A fresh take on a classic name. The name Eliminator carries a lot of weight. It first emerged in the 1980s as Kawasaki's answer to the power cruiser trend, combining muscle bike performance with the cruiser silhouette. Fast forward to 2025, and Kawasaki has brought back the Eliminator with a clean-sheet design, aimed at today's urban riders. Instead of chasing big displacement horsepower, this new Eliminator focuses on agility, affordability, and versatility. It's a motorcycle that honors the past while being firmly planted in the present, exactly what many new riders are looking for today. Engine and performance, ninja roots. At the heart of the 2025 Eliminator is a 451 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, derived from the same platform as the Ninja 500. It produces around 50 horsepower and is tuned for smooth torque delivery across the rev range. This setup gives the Eliminator the perfect balance of city usability and highway capability. Kawasaki has slightly retuned the engine for cruiser duty, focusing on low-end and mid-range performance. The result? Smooth roll-on acceleration, excellent throttle control, and a responsive ride that's both beginner-friendly and satisfying for experienced riders. It's liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and mated to a slick 6-speed gearbox, with a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts. Chassis and handling, lightweight and confident. The Eliminator uses a tubular trellis frame that keeps the weight low and the center of gravity even lower. At just around 386 pounds, 175 kilograms curb weight, the bike feels incredibly nimble. Paired with a low seat height of 28.9 inches, 735 millimeters, it's easy to flat-foot at stops, making it ideal for newer riders or shorter individuals. The bike is equipped with 41mm telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, nothing fancy, but well-tuned for comfort and stability in real-world riding conditions. The suspension soaks up urban potholes and uneven road surfaces while still offering decent feedback when cornering. Braking and safety. Kawasaki has kept the braking setup straightforward but effective. Up front, there's a 310mm disc with a twin-piston caliper, while the rear has a 240mm disc. Both ends come with dual-channel ABS as standard, offering solid stopping power without being overly aggressive. While it doesn't come with advanced rider aids like traction control or ride modes, the Eliminator makes up for it with excellent braking feel and predictable chassis behavior. In this segment, simplicity often works best, and that's the case here. Comfort and ergonomics. Kawasaki paid close attention to rider comfort with the Eliminator. The ergonomics are relaxed, with mid-mounted foot controls and slightly raised handlebars that offer a natural, upright posture. The seat is wide and nicely padded, making it comfortable for longer rides. There's also a passenger seat with grab rails, although longer two-up trips may require a comfort upgrade. This bike is built for casual cruising, daily commutes, and even light touring. For taller riders, Kawasaki offers an optional high-seat accessory, which adds extra padding and legroom. It's clear that versatility was a big part of the Eliminator's design philosophy. Technology and features. Even though it's positioned as a minimalist cruiser, the 2025 Eliminator doesn't skimp on tech where it counts. The bike comes with a fully digital LCD instrument panel, which displays your speed, gear position, fuel level, clock, and trip meters in a clean, easy-to-read format. For riders who want more connectivity, Kawasaki offers a Bluetooth-enabled Radiology app, which allows you to sync your smartphone and access ride logs, maintenance info, and more. It's a subtle touch of modern tech without overwhelming the rider with too many bells and whistles. Styling and design. modern minimalism. The styling of the 2025 Eliminator is one of its strongest selling points. It embraces a neo-retro cruiser look, with a stripped-down design that feels modern but pays homage to its 1980s roots. A round LED headlamp, slim tank, flat seat, and blacked-out mechanical components give it a purposeful, urban appeal. It comes in multiple color options, including classic black, a matte graphite finish, and a stealthy red, all of which contribute to a look that's both tough and stylish. This bike looks good standing still and even better on the move. Fuel efficiency and practicality. With a fuel tank capacity of 3.7 gallons, 14 liters, and an estimated fuel economy of 65 miles per gallon, 27.6 kilometers per liter, the 2025 Eliminator offers solid range for a cruiser of its size. It's an economical choice for commuters who don't want to sacrifice style or fun. There's also enough room to add luggage racks or soft bags, making it a viable option for light touring or weekend escapes. Kawasaki has also released several factory accessories, including a rear rack, USB charging port, and engine guards. Variants and pricing. For 2025, Kawasaki offers the Eliminator in two main variants. Base model comes with the standard LCD display, ABS, and the essential cruiser setup. Eliminator SE adds a headlight cowl, fork gaiters, two-tone seat, and USB-C charging port, along with a slightly upgraded finish. The starting price is expected to be around $6,899 for the base model and around $7,299 for the SE version, making it one of the most affordable and stylish entries in the lightweight cruiser category. Who is this bike for? The 2025 Eliminator is perfect for new riders looking for an approachable first bike with enough power for growth. Urban commuters wanting a lightweight, fuel-efficient ride. Casual cruisers who want comfort and style without the bulk of a big V-twin. Experienced riders who want a fun, affordable second bike for city duties or weekend escapes. It fills the gap between sporty entry-level bikes and heavyweight cruisers with surprising precision. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator isn't trying to dominate with brute force or gimmicks. Instead, it brings a clean design, solid performance, and rider-friendly ergonomics into a compact, cruiser-style package. Whether you're a new rider entering the world of motorcycling or a veteran looking for something simple and stylish to ride around town, the Eliminator delivers. It's proof that less can be more, when it's done right.